Good day, sir. I will introduce myself. I'm Miracle Bina, Reporter 3 from the Group 6. Today, I will discuss the producing sectors and the macro and micro. First thing we do is to calculate the national domestic product. Look at the table. Para makuha na to siya, so una na ako calculate ang agriculture, fishery, and forestry. Divide sa GDP at market prices. So here, agriculture, fishery, and forestry in value in Philippine peso million is 178,143. Divide na to siya sa GDP at market prices. 848,451 is equal to 21%. Also for mine inquiring, manufacturing, construction, electricity, gas and water, transportation, trade, finance, housing, and services. You can calculate it to the GDP para makuha ang kada percentage niya. So, ang agriculture, fishery, and forestry, mining, inquiring, manufacturing, construction, electricity, gas and water, transportation, trade, finance, housing, and services contributed it into percentage to the national domestic product in 1996. My second topic is from macro to micro. It is focusing on the manufacturing sector's response to variation and money supply and a system approach to demand analysis. Definition of demand and equation. Demand is the maximum quantity of a good consumers are willing buy at a given time. The equation Q equals price, price of substitute, and income and other variables. Show that demand mao ni siya ang Q, function of price, P, price of a substitute, product 1, income, Y, and other variables, example 1. These economic sectors to money supply, variation, and to approach to demand analysis requires a multi-examination from macro to micro. Demand is not solely determined by price. That's all. Thank you.